Urhobo me si obere. Yo di bekri rimba juvie mareve. You vie wo krina akpona. Tisio Nigeria me si obere. Yo di bekri rimba juvie mareve. You vie wo krina igbe. Emi akporo wo pa ori. Yo waro yo wo ko la blari re.
Tisio Urhobo me si obere. Yo di me kri rimba juvie mareve. Uvie na wo krina akpona.
Otulu gwaro to wawaro.
Tisio
Yo waro yo wo ko la blari re.
Tisio Nigeria me si obere. Yo di me kri rimba juvie mareve. Uvie na wo krina akpona.
Alunde me wa solologu Emmanuel ono black boy ya Okumagba JP the awodu of Okere Urhobo Kingdom Yorwese of Olomo Kingdom the Atalero of Ogo Kingdom Ya Jerese of Ogara Kingdom. Oniraye Urhobo Doliribo in Agbara Kingdom. Ogaladere Mamoraye Woke Chief Mrs. Mary Uboleluraria Okumagba. Your barrier of Olomo Kingdom. Oreginio in Udu local government area of Delta State. Mommy, Osakawa. Akona arena. Abikorio jaka rufio Uvie wo krino re Audio yoki audio wawa Awaro chole re Okana yoriko Okana yoriko Urhobo wa burugo Nigeria for Urhobo.
Emmanuel no black boy ya Okumagba. Oyoko lo seven ni akpona bagogo.
Akemara ya kwana biegire kwa kwekwe. Adura yero na kwe yere radio jakeruge. Eyino namle wo broda ke yando fuhire. Akipulire akarakere. Inge. Okwala ga demu dia ke ba kwe yere. Ogwajira Audio Rakiro Abruere, Audio Wawaya, you will clean up. Yeah, who was I? Atade looking at Atade, Baba. Educational qualification. St. John's Christ Apostolic Church School, Warri. Baptist School, Warri. He later went to Lagos to attend Premier Day School. It was called Standard School by then. Proceeded to IC Benin City. That same year, he was a part-time floor manager in NTA. Also a primary school teacher at Agbado Primary School, Benin City. Finally, he got admission to the University of Benin, where he studied political science and public administration. Classroom teacher. At Baptist Academy, he was a sportsman around. In Nigeria, in 1990, he was a councillor in Warri local government area. The Delta State was created in Urhobo area. After university level, he works in a Dama hotel as the executive director under his leader, mentor, and elder brother, Chief Benjamin Okumagba, the current President General of UPU. He's the chairman managing director Imakus and Sons Services Limited. Baba, Urhobo in Nigeria, what the black man He was one-time chairman, chief candidate in Warisa local government of Delta State, member Delta Development and Property Authority. In June 2001, he was made a special advisor, project monitoring and implementation. Because of his hard working, he was made chairman, Committee on Payment of Spare Debt. Hey, Urhobo Faburugo, Okumagba, Faburugo. For Konya and Aomiare, then we're follow. Urhobo Faburugo, Urhobo Faburugo. No one will follow. We are His Excellency Chief James Odanefe Ibori, the Executive Governor of Delta State. Appoint him as the Executive Chairman, State Primary Education Board, Delta State. Urhobo Faburugo, Nigeria Faburugo. Anu bi yerikwo, adada na yerikwo akpere kodo chaparo. Chief James Odanefe Ibori, the Governor of Delta State. Late Chief Francis Agboro, MNN, for being his advisor and father and the government. Urhobo Faburugo, Urhobo City Camera, Chief Benjamin Okumagba, JP, for the role he played in his life. Urhobo Faburugo, and the year. Late Chief Nathaniel Okumagba, JP, for building a roof over his head while he was in school. Yes, let me explain this in my dialect. Only of Rob Bego to work at the school. Zimbabwe wouldn't want on the school room over work on. Mama, they were working anyway. Mama, I walk on the way. Nigeria, we late younger brother Napoleon Okumagba, who lost his life in a boat mischief. His lovely wife, Chief Mrs. Mary Okumagba. Again and again, you cannot be left out. And his children. Download when you carry it back. Download every year. After you, that's all by turn. You dede. Bopane rodo botor. Agbara we bi rodo. We jebe ma ba fure. Sio ado. bí rédíò àbúkòtò ẹ̀ o.